Can your garden survive the winter snow? Welcome to Garden Club, where today we're diving into essential tips for dealing with snow in your garden. From the fluffy, light snowfalls to the heavy, blanket-like layers, we're exploring how to keep your plants safe and thriving. Let's unravel the winter mystery and turn your snow-covered garden into a winter wonderland for your plants. 1. The true impact of snow on gardens. Snow in the garden is a double-edged sword. On one hand, a light layer of snow acts like an insulating blanket, protecting plants from severe frost and freezing temperatures. It maintains a steady soil temperature and prevents the harsh winter winds from drying out or harming your plants. However, when the snow piles up, it can be a different story. Heavy snowfall weighs down branches, risking breakage, especially in shrubs and young trees. It can also smother smaller plants and create a haven for rodents who might nibble on your precious bulbs and bark. Understanding this balance is crucial for any gardener looking to navigate the winter months. 2. Preparing your garden for the snowy season. As winter approaches, your garden needs a bit of prep to withstand the snow. Start by pruning your vulnerable plants. This isn't just about cutting back dead or diseased branches. It's about shaping your plants so they can bear the weight of the snow without breaking. Next, focus on your soil. A good layer of mulch can be a lifesaver, providing insulation to the roots and maintaining moisture levels. Don't forget about your young trees and delicate plants. Wrapping them in burlap or using tree guards can prevent snow and frost damage. These simple steps can make a huge difference in how your garden emerges after the snow melts. 3. Navigating through snow accumulation. When your garden is blanketed in snow, it's important to act carefully. The first rule of thumb is to gently remove snow from branches and plants. Avoid shaking or beating the plants, as this can cause more damage. Use a broom or your hand to lightly brush off the snow. If you're dealing with ice, it's better to let it melt naturally than to try and remove it forcefully. Be mindful of the products you use for de-icing paths near your garden. Rock salt and chemical de-icers can harm plant roots and soil health. Opt for sand or cat litter for traction without the plant damage. 4. Post-snow garden recovery. Once the snow melts, it's time for damage assessment and recovery. Check for any broken branches, signs of pest damage, or plants that might have been uprooted. Pruning any damaged areas helps prevent disease and encourages healthy regrowth. Your soil might be compacted after the snow, so gently aerate it without disturbing the still dormant roots. If the winter has been particularly dry, your plants might need watering. As the weather warms up, start your regular fertilizing regime to give your plants the nutrients they need for spring growth. Snow in the garden doesn't have to spell disaster. With the right knowledge and preparation, you can protect your plants and even use the snow to your advantage. Remember, every garden is unique, so tailor these tips to fit your specific situation. Now, we're curious to hear from you. How do you manage snow in your garden? Share your experiences in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Garden Club for more gardening insights. Until next time, stay warm and keep gardening.